Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wannan shine video namu na goma a cikin wannan series da muke mai suna Koyi CSS. Kamar yadda na faɗa, insha Allah zan yi bayani akan CSS tun daga farko har zuwa gwargwado abin da ya kamata a ce mutum ya sani a ciki. Idan ba za ku manta ba, video namu na ƙarshe mun yi bayani akan colors. Mun yi bayanin kan yadda declaration na color yake ciki, value nashi, property nashi da kuma value. Sannan mun yi bayanin different types of colors da muke da su a cikin HTML a cikin CSS. Mun yi bayani kan different types of colors da muke da su a cikin CSS. Muna da color names, muna da RGB which stand for red, green and blue, sannan kuma muna da hex codes. Duka na kuma ba ku misali da kuma yadda za ku yi amfani da su. Yau abinda za mu yi bayani kai, za mu yi bayani kan background color. Idan ba za ku manci ba, color yana taba text ne, but background color ba text yake tabawa ba. Abinda background color yake tabawa shi kuma yana taba background ne na text in. Shine bambancin su. So now we already have this H1, H2, H3 like before. If I come to the website, this is what we have already on the website. So let's hover to our style.css because we already linked our HTML file with this CSS. Whatever we did is going to affect the elements in the sketch one HTML file in. So the background color, how you write the background color is, let's select the H1. So we say H1, this is how we did the selector, the type selector. So let's say background, you put dash color, then you put colon. So even here you use to you are to use the different types of colors in the market. Can I find the RGB? Can I find the hex code? Can I find the color name? So I'm going to use the color name. So I'm going to say red like this. So the background color of H1 now will be what? Is going to be red. This is red. So if we go back to the website and refresh, so this is the background color that we put. Now it's red, but the text is what? The text is still black. We didn't touch the text. So let me put background color for the H2 and H3 again. So we can just come here and say H2. So we are going to say background dash color colon. So let's just call it blue and save. So if we come back and refresh, it's going to be blue. So for the last one, we are going to say H3 and say a background dash color colon. We are going to say red, blue. Let's say green. Let's say green. So now we come back and we refresh, is going to be green. So now we did the background color. So if you want to change the color of the text, we are not going to do anything illa abunda zamu shine kasan wannan background in cikin H1 misali muna so mu canza text na H1 ya zama, let's see, white. So we are just going to press enter and say color, then we say colon and say white. For example, let's just put white. If we refresh and come back and refresh, the text of the article is going to be color white. So now the text is white, but the background is what? Is red. So this is how you work with this. So now I can change the color of this one also. I can say color, then I can put red. The color should be red. So if I come back and refresh that, which you are color in Yakuma red. So as for the last one, then the color, I'm going to put the color. Let me make the color color. Let's just put it white also, like this. So we can see white. So now we can refresh the color like this. So this is how it works. So now you understand. So this is how you are going to learn a lot of declaration. Nan za ku ta fahimta declarations din. Yanzu mun yi color, mun zo mun yi background color, kuma mun hada sori guda. So this is how we will continue. We did this declaration and we put it together, and this is how you will see by default. This is how that get your course naka suna yawa. Daga cewa the H1 mun samu declaration guda biyu ciki, muna da color, muna da background color. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to put enter and press and write it under this H1 again and continue like that. This is how you work inside CSS with the declarations inda zaka koya insha Allah cikin wannan series da zamu yi. Da fatar Allah ka samu dace nan zamu tsaya. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.